Today I'm going to share with you my super simple and quick makeup routine. I'm still a learner, so this routine is beginner friendly and I really love it because it's perfect for busy days. It takes less than 10 minutes for me to achieve this look. First, I start by filling in my eyebrows with a brown eyebrow pencil. Then I brush them out with a spoolie to blend everything nicely. After that, I apply a light concealer to shape and clean up my brows. Since my concealer is really light, I make sure to cover it later with foundation. Next, I go in with my Sheglam primer and I apply it all over my face. This primer helps to smooth everything out and preps my skin for foundation. After that, I apply my foundation. I use the Sheglam Hydrating Foundation in the shade Mocha. I usually use a brush, but on busy days, I really prefer a beauty blender because it's faster for me. I make sure to blend it evenly all over my face. And after the foundation, I then apply my powder foundation for a smooth, even finish. I make sure to spread it evenly all over my face. I then move on to the lips. For my lips, I start with this Essence lip liner, outlining the outer parts of my lips. After that, I then fill them in with a matte lipstick because I love a matte lip look. And that's basically all for the lips. Moving on to my eyes, I keep it super simple. I use my finger to apply a single eyeshadow color from my palette. I just dab it onto my eyelids. It's quick and easy and very effective. After that, I apply my Essence. I love Extreme Mascara, which I absolutely love. It adds just the right amount of definition to my lashes. And after that, that's it. I'm done. No highlighters, no contour, no blush, just a simple and clean makeup look that works for me. As I keep learning, I will definitely explore more, but for now, this routine is perfect for me. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that I should improve on or that I should work on more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.